everyone, today we're going to be teaching you how to use Snapchat. It's a great app for sharing photos and videos instantaneously with your friends. So the first step in doing that is go ahead and open up your app store. You can type in Snapchat in the search bar. It'll be a yellow icon with a white ghost on it. It should be the first one that pops up. Go ahead and click on the cloud icon to start downloading it. Once you download the app, you can go ahead and click on the open button. So when you get into the app, it's going to prompt you to sign up. And the first thing you have to enter is your email address. Then it's going to ask you to type in a password. For the password, it has to be a minimum of 8 characters long, and it must be a unique password. If it's too simple, it won't let you use it. Then you have to enter your date of birth. You have to be a minimum age of 13 in order to use Snapchat. The next step in the process is going to be to enter in your phone number. Now when you enter in your phone number, you will receive a text almost instantly containing the verification number. Once you enter in that verification code, you'll be officially part of Snapchat. If you choose not to enter in your phone number, it's going to ask you to go through another simple verification process. So it'll be something like go ahead and select the pictures with the ghost in it. And this step is just to verify that you are in fact a human using the app. Now once you're in, you're going to see your home screen. There are several icons here, but we'll get into that later. Now when you swipe left, you're going to see your first snap from Team Snapchat. It'll be a short tutorial teaching you the ins and outs of Snapchat. And for starters, you're going to teach you how to take a picture. So in order to do that, just go ahead and click on that center icon, and that's how you snap a pic. If you want to take a video, just hold down that same button. You can hold it down for up to 10 seconds, and once you're done, just lift your finger off the screen. You can tap anywhere on the screen to add a caption. You'll see your text box pop up, and you can just go ahead and write whatever message you want. In order to send it, you click on the arrow icon on the bottom right of your screen. It'll take you to your friends list, and you can select anyone from that list. Now that we've seen the tutorial, let's go over the home screen here. If you click on the camera icon on the top right, you can shift back and forth between your front and back camera angle. If you click on the ghost icon, you can see who's added you as well as search for friends. If you click on the gear on the top right, you can go to your settings page. Now here you can adjust your settings to your preference. For example, you can change who's able to send you snaps as well as who can view your story. These are just simple security settings that you can change. If you see anything in red, you might want to consider updating that. Let's go ahead and update our username here. Go with LIS student. We'll highlight our favorite class here. Shout out to our TA Nate. This is the name that people will search for you when they want to find you on Snapchat. If you go back to the previous screen and click on the top center icon, you'll be taken to the trophy case, a new feature of Snapchat where you can unlock different trophies based on achievements through the app. Another way of adding friends is by pressing and holding on a friend's snap code. This is a simple process done by holding your camera over their snap icon using a QR scanner. On your home screen, if you swipe right, you'll be taken to the stories page where you can see the stories your friends have posted. Go right again, you'll be taken to the discover page where you can see different sponsored stories from different companies. If you swipe back to your home screen and go left, you can see your different conversations between your friends, snaps you've sent and whatnot. And if you swipe right on a specific person's icon, you can direct message them and see the snaps that have been sent back and forth, as well as see who has opened your snaps and whether or not they've received them. Alright, so now let's send a snap. Go ahead and open up Snapchat and click on the bottom center icon and take a pic. If you click on the pencil icon on the top right of your screen, you can use your finger to sketch a drawing onto the page. You can adjust the color using the bar on the right hand side of your screen. You already know that you can add a caption by clicking anywhere on the page. So go ahead and enter that in. If you want to change the style font, all you have to do is click on the T icon on the top right. You can use your finger to drag it anywhere on the page, adjust the size, move it around. Now, once you get your caption and your sketches set, you can go ahead and start swiping in any direction for the different filters. There's different color filters that you can use. There's some with text that show you the miles per hour, the temperature, and the time. And they even have geotags, which are a new feature of Snapchat that use your location. So for example, we're at Florida State, so we got all these different FSU ones that you can use. And they're always updating them, so it's cool to see which ones they add. And once you get your filter set, you know your Snapchat is perfect, you can set the length of the time that people can see it up to 10 seconds. Then you can save it to your phone. They'll ask you if you want to add it to your story, and this is where your friends can view it who have you on Snapchat. And then you can also, once you're done, click on the bottom right, and you can pick different individual friends to send it to. And once you get everyone you want, just click on the bottom right arrow, and then it'll take you back to the conversation page, and you can see who you've sent it to, if they've opened it up, and that way you can interact with them further, chat with them if you want to. Okay, so here's a second example of sending another snap. You got your caption, you can do your drawing if you want. Sometimes if your filters are turned off, it'll prompt you to turn them on in your settings. That way you can get access to the different filters and use them for your Snapchat. So, you've got all these different ones you can choose. That's why Snapchat's so fun, because you can individualize your snaps for your different friends and send all types of different unique ones anywhere. Okay, so Snapchat has a new feature that they've added recently where you can add different filters to your face. How to do that is you press down on your face for a few seconds and you're going to see a few different ones come up. Each one has different directions. It'll tell you what to do. So for example, this first one. Open your mouth and you can do some crazy things like this. There's all different types of ones that you can use. This one's supposed to raise your eyebrows. It's a fun way of, messing with your friends and sending other snaps just to make it a little bit more interesting. But there's all different ones here and they update new ones all the time, so it's always good to see which ones they've added. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to learn how to make a video. We've already learned that when you go ahead and press this button here, it's going to take you to the snaps that have been sent to you, and when you go ahead and press this button, it's going to take you to the snap stories. Those are your friends, and you can also see the one that you posted. When you're ready to go ahead and shoot your video, you're going to want to press and hold this middle button here. Keep your finger on and you can hold it for up to 10 seconds, and once you finish the video, you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose to upload it to your story, send it to your friends, or save it for later. Perfect. Alright everyone, thanks for watching our tutorial on how to use Snapchat. Hope it's been very helpful for you. We had a great time making it. Snapchat's a great way of sending snaps to your friends, way of staying connected. Add me on Snapchat, it's MoneyMatt with 4 T's. So yeah, thanks for watching. Go Knowles.